Video begins with a shot of someone looking stressed, surrounded by textbooks and notes. Hey everyone, are you buried under a mountain of textbooks with exams just around the corner? Feeling like you're reading the same page over and over, but nothing is sticking. We've all been there. You spend hours highlighting, rereading, and trying to memorize, but when the test comes, your mind goes blank. It's incredibly frustrating, but what if I told you there's a smarter way to study, not just a harder one? Let's talk about something called the cone of learning. It's a super simple but powerful idea that shows how we remember information. Think of it like a pyramid. At the very top, the narrowest part, are passive learning methods, like just listening to a lecture or reading a textbook. Studies suggest we only remember about 5% of what we hear and 10% of what we read after 2 weeks. That's not great, right? That's why you forget things so easily. As we move down the pyramid, things get more interesting. When you see a demonstration or watch a video about a topic, your retention jumps to around 30%. That's a big improvement. But the real magic happens at the bottom of the pyramid, the widest part. This is where active learning lives. So, what is active learning? It's when you stop being a passive spectator and start participating, discussing the topic with your friends. Your retention rate can shoot up to 50%. That's half of the information locked in. Even better, try practicing what you've learned, solve problems, do case studies, or try an experiment. This pushes your memory retention to an amazing 75%. You're not just seeing it, you're doing it. And now for the ultimate study hack, the most effective method at the very bottom of the cone, teaching others. When you explain a concept to someone else, you force your brain to organize the information, simplify it, and truly understand it. This can lead to a staggering 90% retention rate. You become the master of the material. So, for your upcoming exams, don't just reread your notes, form a study group and discuss the concepts, create your own practice quizzes. Better yet, find a study buddy and take turns teaching each other the difficult topics. By actively engaging with the material, you're not just studying. You're rebuilding a strong foundation of knowledge that will stay with you long after the exam is over. You'll walk into that exam room feeling confident and prepared. You've got this. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more study tips. Good luck with your exams.